Alright everyone, we are here at the Spitshine Car Wash of Preston, Idaho. Ooh. And we're gonna check out this soft touch wash, which is this lane right here.
Okay.
And this place, from what I can tell, has a Washworld Razor and a Washworld Profile. So I'm gonna pause to take a look. So I'll see you guys in just a second.
Please wait while your transaction is being processed. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the...
Please pull forward slowly. Thou shalt not speed. Mirrors. Ooh. I like this wash already. That scared me. Yes, sir. There's a ton of fog in here. I bet it's warm water. That's probably why.
Please drive forward.
Okay. Okay.
Please place cars in park.
Smells really good already.
There's probably leftover stuff on the floor from last time.
Maybe, yeah. It's been busy. I'm very impressed with how busy this place is.
Yeah, seriously. Oh. High pressure and pre-sunk at the same time.
Oh. Interesting. Double pass? I mean, two birds with one stone.
Yes. Now we're getting the brushes.
And the more
Let's see.
just me, or is it adding more soap while it's brushing?
It is.
Wow.
Very nice brushes.
I don't think I've ever seen a wash where the brushes go and the foam sprays at the same time.
I'm
Usually
not
it
sure
does one
either.
and then the other.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Sorry, that's our
Collision avoidance
collision
system.
avoidance.
Shut up, car. Nothing's wrong.
Exactly. It's fine. I like these brushes.
Yeah.
I can see why this is the more popular bay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I apologize for the beeping. Do you think that's gonna fix it? Ooh, it did fix it. Good job. Sweet.
Now we get to look out the rear camera, which saves me from having to hold my camera up back there for an
An extended period of time.
Yeah.
Yes.
is it doing now? Oh, it's doing the front crossover again.
Very nice. Our car's gonna be so shiny.
Yeah. What does it say? Cleaning and washing at the same time.
Oh.
I was just wondering what the sign said.
Oh, my bad. Adding more soap as it goes.
I'm not sure it is anymore.
Yeah, I can see it spraying on the back window.
Oh yeah, you're right. Let's see, what is it doing now?
It says stop. It doesn't tell me what it's doing. Oh, it says washing.
Well, that's very useful.
I know.
Oh, look at that. Camera's covered.
Definitely adding more foam. Holy more foam. That's a really good... Is that a rinse?
Yeah. Here's your little sprayers on the side there.
Cool.
Look at how covered the brushes are in soap.
I know.
Oh, what is this? Trifoam. Very nice. Smells awesome.
Yeah, I love it.
And we're also getting a rinse at the same time. What does that say? Washing?
I just love how thorough they are with their explanations.
I know. We are washing your car. Oh, thank you.
Thanks. I can tell.
At least I got peace of mind of knowing that it's washing my car.
I know. I was really worried it wasn't.
Oh, look at this. Foam and flow.
Oh, I love foam and flow.
This one seems to curtain better than the touch-free. Let's see what's happening now. Oh. Some more applications. Yep, there's the spit in the spit shine.
You and your very own spit.
I love it when they spit on our car.
Yeah. Especially when it's celebrity spit.
Celebrity spit, yes.
That's good.
Spot free. Thank you, machine. Oh, are we getting a double pass soon? We are! Look at that, from both nozzles.
That's awesome.
It has spat, and we are now shining. No. The brushes could be better.
What do you mean?
The cover, the cover above them had like algae or something growing on it. Okay, so that is the Washworld profile of Spit Shine. what would you think of that wash?
It was great. I think it was even better than the other one.
Yeah, I'd say 7 out of 10 for that one.
Yeah, I would say in the old scale like 10 out of 10, but yes, once Carter explains the new scale.
Yeah, it'll be in the description.
Yeah.
So, that is the Spit Shine of Preston, Idaho. Sorry, I had a brain fart. Anyway,
Great,
that is the Washworld profile. Thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.